Hi colleagues, welcome to this professional development session on mathematical problem solving. Today I will demonstrate some techniques which may assist you in your Year 3 and 4 classes. A two-digit number less than 50. The sum of the digits was 12, the difference was 6. What number did Brooke find? First of all, we need to look at George Pollier's model of problem solving, where we are understanding the problem, making a plan, carrying out the plan, and then later on reflecting, extending and reviewing. So, look at this problem. The type of problem is based on number and algebra through the Australian curriculum, which has a lot of different areas, but today we're going to be focusing on that. Understanding place value in terms of two-digit numbers, single-digit numbers, and what digits actually stand for. The who am I question, which this type of situation has only one correct answer. Normally mathematical problems have many different answers and are very open-ended. This is closed, which provides us with a solution to the problem so everybody leaves happy. The math skills today include two-digit place value, which is level 3 and 4 in the Australian curriculum, working with the concept of more and less, and understanding the vocabulary in less, some, digits, difference, half, greater, and greater than. So the learning intention today is we are learning to use place value to regroup numbers and solve problems, and explaining whether a number is useful for calculations. So to start with, we're going to look back at the problem. So a two-digit number less than 50. The sum of the digits was 12. The difference was 6. What number did Brooke find? You can talk to the students about what a two-digit number is. So first we're going to start by looking at digits. So these numbers from 0 up to 9 are single digits because I only have a number in the units column. Our two-digit numbers are from 10 all the way up to 99, as they have a units number and a tens number. Generally this would be the time to talk about your place value and discussing why these numbers are in the units column or why these numbers are in the tens column. For instance, if we look at 30, they have 0 units or 0 ones, but the 3 is not in fact 3, but it is worth tens. So 30, 3 tens. Now to the problem. Okay, a two-digit number that is less than 50. So as you can see, we've removed all numbers greater than 50. The next part of the problem, the sum of the digits was 12. So we're going to explore what sum actually means and get that into the common vocabulary of the students. So sum actually means to add, to put together, or to use addition with two numbers. So in this case, we're going to be adding numbers that equal up to 12. So it's asking the students to give you numbers that equal up to 12. To start with, we have 0 plus 12. From here, we're going to eliminate any numbers above 50 or single digits, because we're using a two-digit number. So, as we've already done above 50, now we're going to eliminate single digits. By using the cards, we have a visual representation where we can remove numbers and only leave up the remaining answers, which can help them to sort through the problem. So, we're going to remove all the single digits. Now that we've removed all the single digits, we're left with 10 through to 50. Now we're working on the two digits that when added together equal 12. So because we're adding two digits together, 12, 11 and 10 need to be removed. Because when we add the digits together, we aren't going to get 93 or 84 or 75 or 66, as that is over 50, and our number needs to be less than 50. So all these numbers can now be wiped out too, as well as 6 plus 6 here. Right now we can also remove 5 plus 7 because 57 is greater than 50. So I'm left with two combinations, being 3 plus 9 and 4 plus 8. So that leaves us with 39 and 48. Now we're looking at the other part of the problem, which says the difference was 6 between the two numbers. So difference, of course, meaning subtraction. To subtract the numbers, you need to use the larger number first, because we can't subtract from a smaller number unless we're working with the negatives. So, using the numbers, we're going to do 9, take away 3, which equals 6. We're also going to look at 8, take away 4, which equals 4. So our number, therefore, leaves us with 9 take away 3, which the numbers together make 39. Therefore being our answer. Now on to section B. The question states that Brooke found a 2-digit even number. One of its digits was half the other. The number was greater than 50. What number did Brooke find? So our resource today is using a magic 100 square, with which we can eliminate numbers, and it's a clear visual display, and the students can actually have fun and interaction in joining in and colouring in the numbers themselves when called upon. Then we get to the problem. What number did Brooke find? So by using the numbers part is to eliminate numbers less than 50. As it says here, the number was greater than 50. So we're going to eliminate all the numbers. Students will quite enjoy colouring this in. From there, we're going to look at the 2-digit even number. So that means 100 is eliminated as it has 3 digits. Our next step, which is quite easy to figure out, is the even numbers. So we're going to eliminate all the odds. So we are left with a small number of possibilities. Now the last part of our question says that one of its digits was half the other. Is 2 half of 5? No, it's not. Is 4 half of 7? No. Is 4 half of 8? Yes. And is 4 half of 9? No. So we have one possibility from that column. Our only number is 84. We've carried out the plan. Now it's time to review and extend. For the magic 100 square, it is quite a lengthy process in carrying out and colouring in the eliminated numbers. And during part A, the digits being added together could have been discussed a little bit clearer so that students could understand a bit better. Entry points could of course be considered, so earlier entry points by having smaller numbers, by looking at what the students comprehend. If they don't comprehend greater than or less than, odd and even, you can change the question to suit them and modify the work. Of course, in extending students, you can use numbers into 3 digits, 4 digits or 5 digits. Although for grade 3, 4, this is normally the norm. Thank you for listening to this presentation.